and welcome to the GAG podcast. I'm Jason. I'm today's host, and today we are joined by our guests.
And I'm Josephine, I'm the co-host. This is episode 1, and we'll be talking about a movie called Your Name. This movie is a famous anime movie. And if you're a fan of the show, please subscribe on us in YouTube.
And I'm also your co-host, Abigail. Now let's get into it.
Okay, so have you guys heard of the movie Your Name?
Well, even if our viewers do, we will talk about the movie even deeper in detailed explanations. And of course, we will all try our best to explain while we're talking about the movie itself.
But wait, do you guys know the fact that this movie is one of the best anime movie out there?
Yeah, I can read detail from the unique style of the animation and the creative story as well. The director and the story writer are both Makoto Shinkai.
Well then, we'll talk about the movie. So we all know that this movie is an anime movie, right? What next?
Oh, I saw the movie and there was this boy named Taki and also a girl named Mitsuha. And from what I see, they both swapped bodies in the story.
And how exactly did they swap bodies again? I forgot how it went on.
Okay, so let's just start from the beginning. So in the movie, there are two main characters, Taki and Mitsuha. In the start of the movie, the girl, Mitsuha, is a girl from a small town who really wants to be a city girl and go to Tokyo. And then there's Taki, a city boy who balances his school life and his part-time job. And then all of a sudden, they started to switch bodies every day. They were confused because when they got back on bodies, they saw changes in their lives that they did not do. So they started to connect or know each other through notes and writing about their body.
Oh, I remember now. Thank you.
No problem.
And also when they swap bodies, it's really a creative idea from the director, especially because they struggle so much to find each other. The whole show was exciting.
Yeah, the director was amazing. I'll give you that. But throughout the entire show, it was also kind of sad to know that Mitsuha's backstory as well.
I know, right? Turns out the girl is from the past and the boy is from the future.
Yeah, and they both were apart from each other about 3 years. Like a whole different lifetime. Mitsuha, who was 3 years ago from Taki's lifetime, got attacked by a comet. And Taki was just a normal city boy trying to change Mitsuha's fate from the future.
Exactly. Taki was a hero because he tried changing Mitsuha's future. Because Mitsuha was from the past life, the whole concept was pretty amazing too. This movie was also out on December 17th of 2016, right? And the genre was
Romance and fantasy.
oh yeah, right. And the awards?
As I learned, this anime movie also got tons of awards. In 2016, the movie Your Name got the Best Animated Feature award. Then got the Best Animated Film by Saturn Award at 2018. Also from Chicago Film Critics at 2017. And
Okay, that's enough. Just say this animated movie got 17 ratings and 27 nominations.
What about the cast?
The girl Mitsuha was voiced by Mon Kamishiraishi, I think. And the boy, I forgot.
the boy is Taki. He was voiced by, Kamiki. Yeah, they were both the main characters as well.
Alright. And there are a few other side characters as well. Like in the movie, there are other characters like Miki, Towa, Katsuhiko, Sayaka, and there's a lot more.
There are a lot of them. Anyways, even though we all already did watch the movie, have you all seen the trailer? It was pretty amazing.
I know, right? The clips and teasers of the movie were brilliant. Not to mention as well, the voice actors did a great job at reacting on time and even made some extra voices in the scenes.
That's true, but